Hello fans! Today I'm gonna test a new product from Temu. They have just shipped me this S80 Max. This is a indoor flying model. Can of course use it outdoor, but I think I will use it indoor. And with this you will have a great practice for your stick movements, I think. Yeah. So I think it's basically a drone, but you place it like this, so you can have a plane. A one-click button for takeoff and landing, and easy to fly with this Xbox style controller. So it will be fun to test. It's a 360 stud plane, so you can flip it, and it has LED lights on it, and it's one cell's LiPo battery, so it's very cheap to buy a new one if you want a spare battery. And it's very light, very soft, so it's not dangerous. But you have to remember one thing: do not hit your wife's plants. No, that's dangerous. So when you buy stuff from Temu, always free shipping, and you have a delivery guarantee. If you don't get the goods in 14 days, you get $5 on your credit. Yeah. So check out Temu. Use this code you see on the screen, and you can also click the link in the description box. Buy this extra good price and try to fly at your home. So first, now we're gonna unbox this, and we're gonna go into my living room and try to fly it, and do not chop off some plants. Whoo! So I use this knife, also from Temu, to open the box. It has a little damage. I hope the plane is okay. Like this. Also a manual. I almost never use them. So no assembly. Just take out the plane. Very lightweight. It's like a drone. So it's of course simple to fly, and simple to learn to fly. These propellers are not dangerous for fingers, or maybe you can cut some plants with it. Yeah. Landing gear and LED strips, and here we have a USB charger for a battery, and prying tools to use when you want to remove and replace the propellers. Remember to replace the correct, put on the correct propeller, because they are not the same. So when you lose a propeller or destroy one, please look at the propeller and install the correct one. You also have a screwdriver. So, and the controller, it's good in my Viking hands. It's like an Xbox controller. Speed, push, you hear one beep, push again, you hear 2 beeps, and so. And then it will react more harder to your stick movements. And 3D, you can push and you can flip the model. And you have trim buttons. So it's very simple to use. And then you have to buy 3 AAA batteries for a controller. So now I'm gonna charge the battery and go in my living room and try to fly it. The manual. Now it's also 6-axis gyro for stability. with some Chinese. My Chinese is not so good, not yet, but it's also in English. And yeah, you can read everything about how to set up this plane. So this is for us who know how to fly. This is quite easy. Yeah, let's try to fly. Turn on the transmitter. Full throttle and down. Now we're gonna test it. Oh, so easy to fly. Look at this. Just spin a little. Look at this. This is what you call the stable. Just hovers, and then this was very, I already like it. Oh, look at my wife's plants. This is gonna really have some fun with this. Impressive. Oh, we have one button takeoff there and one button landing. Like push the button, take off, and push the stop button. It really stops. Nice. So this is for everyone to fly. Yeah. It's we have to land. Thank you, Temu. I will fly very much with this plane, I think. Bye bye.